Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text in the JW Library app. Just open the app, open text, and then you will have to hold your finger over the content you would like to highlight. So just keep it over it and then tap on the color you would like to use. I show it again. So I have already selected the color, but here we can select another color. So it will appear automatically if you hold your finger over the content and select the parts of the text you would like to highlight and then tap on the color. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.